Hello everyone. In my previous video we have discussed about the stomach in the human digestive system. So next, after the stomach, food goes into the small intestine. In small intestine, small finger like projections are present, that is called villi. Now what do you mean by villi? Villi are the small finger like projections. Now what is the function of the villi? Function of the villi is it increases the surface area for the absorption of food. So in small intestine, absorption, third step of the digestion takes place with the help of villi. Villi increases the surface area. And one more function of the small intestine is there. It secretes the intestinal juices. It secretes intestinal juices that convert carbohydrates into glucose, proteins into amino acids, and fats into the fatty acids and glycerol. Got it? We already have studied the associated glands of the small intestine. Two associated glands are there. One is pancreas, second one is the liver. And see students, liver is the largest gland of the human body. Now which part of the body is the largest gland? It's liver. Liver secretes the bile juice. Liver secretes bile juice and it temporarily store in the gallbladder. Bile juice is a yellowish greenish like liquid, and it helps in the conversion of the fats into the fatty acid and glycerol. In simple language, I can say it helps in digestion of fats. Okay, temporary stores in the gallbladder. Second associated gland is the pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which helps in the digestion of carbohydrates into the glucose and proteins into the amino acids, and the third one, fats into the fatty acid and glycerol. After small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients of our food, and whatever is left, it will move to the large intestine. See, in large intestine, mainly three parts are there in large intestine. First is the colon, second one is the rectum, third one is the anus. So colon, now what is the function of the colon? It absorbs the excess of the salts and the water of our food. Got it? Whatever the food is left, it moves into the large intestine, and it absorbs excess of the water and the salts in itself. And second part is the rectum stores feces. Whatever the undigested food is there, that converts into the feces, and through anus, undigested food, removal of the undigested food takes place. This is all about our human digestive system. In my next video, we will discuss the digestive system of the ruminants and amoeba. Thank you. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly like and share my channel.